Joviality opens hope and new novelties. When given a deeper look, it shows. When one is happy and positive, it gives a sense of hope, illustrating new ideas to one's life. For some, it is not that easy. Taking care of yourself can be challenging. We all make mistakes, and that's okay. Personal care is a process for a better you. Embrace it. But why stop there? Improving one's sex life is a staple of self-awareness. The more you learn, the better understanding you have of yourself. I am not a professional nor an expert, just an enthusiast when it comes to learning things about self-care and sex. I sometimes have an unfiltered mouth, and could be a goofball at times. But nevertheless, I'm here to share what I'm learning with you. My name is Johann, and I welcome you to learn along with me.